Today, we go over the Erskine Mini Soil Conditioner. We offer this soil conditioner in either a 48 or 60-inch drum with rigid or floating mount. The model we use today in demonstration has a 48-inch drum and the floating mount. The 48-inch model has 54 teeth. The 60-inch model has 68 teeth. The frame backbone is constructed of 3-inch square tubing and runs the full width of the frame. On both ends we have end plates that are welded directly to it. That creates a strong backbone that gives resistance to flexing and twisting. The remainder of the frame is built from heavy plate steel along with additional tubular shafting components. We use tubular and shafting components so we can have a very compact yet strong mounting point from which to control the frame. The frame can angle 25 degrees to the right or left. We control it by using either this manual locking pin or the optional control valve with hydraulic cylinder. The wheel arms are constructed of 2-inch square tubing and they are mounted to the frame where you can choose 3 positions for height adjustment. This allows you to fine-tune the cutting head to your machine. For the rotor, we use a large 7-inch diameter tube with 3/16 wall thickness. We use a large wall thickness because we weld the teeth to the drum. We need a solid base to support our tooth. The teeth are welded in a spiral pattern. This is very important when it comes to torque transmission to the ground. We want a smooth transmission of torque into the soil so you don't get pulses. If you get pulses like our competitors' units, what will happen is you'll be more prone to stalling out the hydraulic motor. Our drive system consists of a direct drive Eaton Charlin 2000 series motor. We use direct drive to eliminate the need for an oil bath and chain. The direct drive is much simpler to maintain and more reliable. For wheels, we are using a 10-inch diameter, 3-inch wide wheel, and it's a solid urethane construction. Our wings are made of 1/4-inch plate steel. You can mount them on the back or front of the rotor. You don't have to have them installed, but it does leave a better finish because it captures the pile of dirt on the ends. These wings are easy to adjust. You can angle them in and out using the pin or remove them completely. We have 2 options for the mounting system. Our rigid mount is rigidly mounted to the skid plate. It's very simple and easy to use. You just adjust the wheel height to change the depth of cut. Rigid mounts give you more control over how you force the drum into the ground. It's a little bit simpler with less parts involved. We also offer the optional floating linkage shown here. This is extremely useful because you change the depth of cut right from the skid steer. By changing the angle of the mounting plate using the tilt cylinder on your loader, this 4-bar linkage will raise or lower the frame and the cutting depth of the teeth. A legacy of excellence since 1948. Visit our website and find a dealer near you.